In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix bad gateway 502 error from Cloudflare. A 502 error usually means Cloudflare can't successfully connect to your server, or something in your settings is interrupting that connection. We'll walk through the key places in your Cloudflare dashboard to check and adjust so traffic can flow smoothly again. First, open your Cloudflare account and sign into the dashboard. From the list of sites, click the domain that's showing the 502 error. Working inside the correct domain is important because all the settings we'll review are specific to that site. Next, go to DNS, then open the Records tab. This is where your A, Purple A, and Syname records live. Make sure your records point to the correct server. For example, your A record for the root domain and the www subdomain should have the current accurate IP address of your hosting server. If you recently changed hosting or your server IP changed, update those values here and save. Small typos or outdated IPs can easily trigger a 502, so double check each entry carefully. After you save, give it a little time for the changes to take effect. Now head to Security. Open the Security Rules area and review any custom rules you've created. Look for overly broad blocks or challenges that might be stopping Cloudflare's own requests or legitimate visitors. If a rule is set to block based on country, user agent, or IP ranges, consider narrowing it or changing the action to allow or challenge instead of block. The goal here is to make sure you're not unintentionally blocking Cloudflare traffic or your origin server responses. Adjust the rules as needed and save your changes. Finally, go to SSL TLS and select Overview. Here, choose the right SSL TLS mode for your setup. If your origin server does not have an SSL certificate installed, Flexible can work because it encrypts from the visitor to Cloudflare, while Cloudflare connects to your server over HTTP. If your server does have a certificate, Full is typically appropriate, and if the certificate is valid and trusted, Full Strict provides the strongest security. Picking the mode that matches your server's actual configuration helps prevent handshake issues that can look like 502 errors. That's it. By confirming accurate DNS records, easing any security rules that block valid traffic, and setting the correct SSL TLS mode, you'll usually clear a Cloudflare 502 quickly. Allow a few minutes for updates to apply and you should be back online.